Oh, you gotta give him that hawk.
Two merchant account services that match really well with high-risk industries. Pay attention. If you're in credit repair, if you're a consultant, or you're in any high-risk or restricted industry, there are two merchant accounts that we, Ladder Financial Group, approve. One is called Zen Payments. They're very flexible on the application process and also very flexible on your industry. The second one is Authorize.net. They don't have any quarrels with monthly recurring payments and or even high ticket products up to $25,000 to $50,000 in service fees. So when you're stuck or challenged when it comes down to Square, Stripe, PayPal, or any of these main street type of merchant accounts, remember Zen Payments and Authorize.net. I'll see you on the funding side.